Family will always be able to use, no matter how pretty they look, they will always have utility. I've also picked out a lot of elements that will add mood to the space. So we've got tea lights, we've got lanterns, we've got colorful charpai that will kind of make the space feel informal, look informal, and make the family feel like hanging out there a little more. All in all, I think my job here is done.
On day 8 of our garden makeover schedule, Urmila makes a short excursion with good reason. She has come to the Fenesta Windows showroom to pick just the windows to replace Ruchira's current archaic slider opening into the garden.
I'm looking for windows for a project of mine, which is a garden on the ground floor. So primarily I'm looking at something which will bring the beauty inside. And being on the ground floor, security is a major concern, and I would want lots of light to come into the space.
So I guess you're looking at floor to ceiling in that case?
Yes, that's right.
And the large panel windows is something also we have displayed, and it will take care of your concerns for security. Maybe I can show you. See, Urmila, these are the large sliding panel windows we have. Normally with large panels, security is a problem because of the weight of the glass, but with Fenesta we have steel bars inside the frame, so the glass is not a problem. So here you have beautiful view, sunlight, as well as security.
What about the security, especially from the outside to the inside?
Well, security is not a concern at all. Fenesta has a multi-point locking system. See, there is 1, 2, 3, 4 locks with just actually shutting one lock, and the lock is inside. And there is no way for anybody to try and open it from outside.
After going through several options, Urmila decides on the light oak frame for the windows that will open out into Ruchira's garden. With her concerns put to rest, Urmila leaves the store a happy customer. Meanwhile, on site, the tiling work has begun. Grey tiles as planned are mounted on top of the planter wall, and the first signs of color and finishing in the form of the ochre yellow floor tiles fill the garden.
Are you excited, Mama?
हाँ बेटा.
मिसेस साया, मैं जूही हूँ इस शो की होस्ट. मैं आपको अभी इंट्रोड्यूस कराने वाली हूँ आपकी होल न्यू वर्ल्ड से. सो आप तैयार हैं?
हाँ जी.
बिल्कुल तैयार हैं?
बिल्कुल तैयार.
Alright, so let's not keep this suspense any longer. There's a certain freshness in the air on day 12 of this project. Could it be because Urmila is out to source that which makes a garden a garden?
Hello, can I help you? I'm Vijay Mohite here, owner of this tropical nursery.
I'm actually looking for something for a garden which I'm reclaiming from what was once a storage area. Can I see some samples of these plants?
Sure, madam. This is Spathiphyllum. This is a low ground cover which flowers throughout the year, and it does well in shade also.
I'd also like to take a look at some herbs because Ruchira's mother is very fond of herbs. Is there something you could suggest?
Yeah, we have one here only. This is lemongrass.
Okay.
This is a mosquito repellent plant.
Oh, that'll be nice because they are on the ground floor.
Huh.
And mosquitoes in that area could be a problem. So it could work both ways.
Yeah.
Okay, what else would you like to suggest? Something taller perhaps?
Madam, this is heliconia, which we can use it towards the compound wall to cover around 5-6 feet height.
That's good. I think it'll add the necessary color to the garden.
I'll just show you the bamboos now.
Okay.
This bamboo tend to grow tall, and every 3 months you need to cut it.
I think that's fine with them. Ruchira's mother is a nature lover and has lived with plants, so I don't think she'll mind cutting them because it'll give them privacy from the neighbors, and privacy is a big issue with them. So thank you so much for your help. I think you've given life to my garden.
Back at the Sahai residence, preparations for Ruchira's Haldi ceremony, to be held in a few hours, are in full swing. And yet, the sisters remain glued to their laptop. What could be more important?
With the guests coming in for Ruchira's Haldi, we couldn't afford to have all the clutter around the garden. So we've moved our entire stuff from the garden to this passageway.
I think we should sell this study table. I think we can also sell this little
I
bookshelf.
remember we had this old kinetic that we could sell on
I
OLX
don't
too.
know. That's not a furniture.
But then we could also buy a lot of stuff on OLX.
The girls log on to olx.in and hope to sell off a storage cabinet, a table, and a mandir, thus leaving no scope for clutter even in the future.
But who's going to give the money?
Well, maybe that can be my wedding gift.
I'll have to think about it.
While the sisters work that out, a quick look at the progress of work so far. The paint and texture from Asian Paints have begun to transform Ruchira's front yard into an earthy, serene space. The Century Architect ply screen that is to provide privacy and security to the Sahais is nearly complete. And the garden furniture inclusive of a center table and chairs has arrived. Back inside, Ruchira's family has begun the Haldi ceremony, and the fact that the wedding is just 3 days away finally hits home.
You know, it's Haldi and it's the most important day of my life. I'm very happy. And I really want to thank NDTV Good Times for giving me such wonderful gift. Really, thank you so much.
The day ends on a happy note, both inside and outside.
Are you excited, Mama?
हाँ बेटा
मिसेस साया, मैं जूही हूँ इस शो की होस्ट। मैं आपको अभी इंट्रोड्यूस कराने वाली हूँ आपकी होल न्यू वर्ल्ड से। सो आप तैयार हैं?
हाँ जी
बिल्कुल तैयार हैं?
बिल्कुल तैयार है।
Alright, so let's not keep this suspense any longer.
Hours before the space is to be revealed to Ruchira's mother, 2 agencies arrive to contribute their share to this makeover. Workers from the tropical nursery bring in the bamboo, flowers, and herbs. Even before they complete the job, the windows from Finesta arrive just in time to be fitted for the revelation. With Ruchira's garden made green and her home secure, Ronita from Good Homes India arrives to style the space with the accessories she had previously sourced.
This is good. Everything's arrived here in time for me. We've got the furniture coming just in time from Pepper Fry. All the accessories are here from Peacock Life, and I'm all set and excited to get this place looking lovely for its proud owners. So let's go for it. That I'd like to share with you guys. It's a do-it-yourself idea. All you need for this is a container large enough to hold water. These are floating flowers, and it works as a lovely centerpiece for your breakfast table, your garden area. What I'm going to do right now for you guys is just show you how to bring in a little bit of color without spending too much, and yet at the same time using what you have at home. You can also add a few elements of potpourri. There we go. I'm really happy with the way the garden has turned out. It's looking lovely. Ruchira, I hope you and your parents like it too. And Maya, be a good girl with it.
This place looks absolutely stunning. I think we've done a great job of reclaiming the garden. Now the big question is, will Ruchira's mother like it as much as we do? Well, let's just find out.
Outside the entrance of the garden, Ruchira and Tanushree are blindfolding their mother.
Are you excited, Mama?
हाँ बेटा
Mom, I love you and I really miss you. You know, I want to do so much for you. I want to give you a comfortable life and a lot of space. I couldn't do it all, but thanks to NDTV Good Times, this is what I want to give it to you. मम्मी इतना कुछ किया, I hope आपको पसंद आ रहा हो.
Of course she's going to love it. Did you know what the space looked like before?
Oh yes, I know.
This garden was barely a garden before a whole new world stepped in to rescue it. A go down for furniture and belongings from their past, with plants that were not looked after and a total lack of space for movement. This area was merely a dumping ground.
I don't know about you guys, लेकिन मुझे ये जगह अच्छी तरह याद है जैसे पहले थी. But I want you to know that we've completely transformed it, and of course it doesn't look like the space that it was. Mrs. Sahai, मैं जूही हूँ इस शो की होस्ट. आप मुझे जानती नहीं हैं, लेकिन मैं आपको अभी इंट्रोड्यूस कराने वाली हूँ आपकी whole new world से. So आप तैयार हैं? हाँ जी. बिल्कुल तैयार हैं? बिल्कुल तैयार हैं. All right, so let's not keep this suspense any longer. In you go. Unfold, unfold, unfold. Ta-da! गमले, आपको पौधे पसंद हैं? बहुत अच्छा लगा.
कुर्सी तो बहुत ही अच्छा है.
ये आपको ही दिमाग रख के यहाँ पे लगाई है क्योंकि आप यहाँ पे बैठ के चाय पी सकती हैं.
बहुत सुंदर है कुर्सी, बहुत अच्छा है.
तो आप खुश हैं?
बहुत खुश है.
Very good. Are you happy?
I'm very happy.
Yeah?
Yes, yes. Seeing my mother happy is all that matters in life to me. Now I can go happy and relieved.
अब मैं उर्मिला से ये पूछना चाहती हूँ कि आपने कैसे डिसाइड किया कि क्या चीज़ कहाँ जाएगी and what was your entire plan?
You remember what the place looked like when we first saw it?
Yes, I do.
It needed quite a bit of straightening out. So that's what I've done by having this planter and still broken the straight line a bit with these offsets.
Okay.
And in the plants, I've chosen plants which are vertical growing in terms of appearance and easy to maintain. They don't need much more than watering daily.
Once a day?
Once a day.
Okay.
And I've also taken care to introduce herbs like the lemongrass which I put in there because we just end up having mosquitoes in the outside.
And lemongrass.
And lemongrass repels them.
Okay.
Along with that, I put in a few more herbs which Mrs. Sahai wanted she can use in her kitchen.
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. हमको पौधे का बहुत शौक है और बहुत पसंद है. तो अब लग रहा है गार्डन में पौधा इतना सारा पौधा आ गया है कि अब गार्डन जैसा लग रहा है ये.
And this ledge wall finished with tiles can be used for sitting as well. And this floor that you have here has this golden yellow, Jaisalmer yellow, which adds this glow to your garden.
And is it easy to maintain?
Sure, all you need to do is wash it out and there's nothing more to be done for it.
Wow, that's nice. You know what, Joey? My mom wanted privacy, and that's exactly what we have here.
Yeah, you know, I was looking at that. Urmila, I have heard that this is wood.
It's architect plywood, which Century makes for the outdoors.
Oh, really? So it's safe. It's long lasting.
Yes, waterproof, weatherproof, and with a lifetime guarantee.
And the paint that we've used obviously is sort of making the space look bigger. So you chose this color obviously for that reason.
Yes, this organic green
Okay.
gives an overall blends with the greens that we have.
Okay. And of course it's waterproof, etc.
Yes, absolutely.
I remember Ruchi not being very sure with the color combination after she went paint shopping, but the color green and brown, they just go so well with each other. It's just beautiful.
The texture Venezio I've used on your walls gives an edge of roughness which diffuses the light that falls on it, especially during the day, and doesn't blind you.
We've taken everything into consideration.
Absolutely.
What I really like is the space that you've opened out with the glass windows. I don't think anybody had mentioned that. तो ये आपने अपने आप सोचा कि आप इसको glass windows देंगी?
Yeah, because after having such a beautiful garden, you should be able to bring the garden indoors, you know.
Yes. And I think that's exactly what's happened. आप अंदर बैठ के भी गार्डन का आनंद ले सकते हैं.
Especially in monsoon, I think.
Yeah, we've been discussing that. We have to make the monsoons come faster now.
Juhi, you know what I'm really impressed with is that we just mentioned it in the passing that we wanted a tulsi plant in the northeast corner, and we have that. So
You know, I can't take any credit for it. It has to be all Urmila because, you know, you've kept in mind the finer details and the little things that everybody wanted. And there's a beautiful tulsi plant. I'm so glad you noticed it.
That's particularly for Mr. Sahai.
Oh, really?
That's right.
Okay. मिसेस साहब मैं आपसे एक क्वेश्चन पूछना चाहती हूँ कि इस पूरे गार्डन में आपको सबसे अच्छी चीज़ क्या लगी?
सबसे अच्छी लगी ये लाइट जो लगा है ना, ये बहुत अच्छा लगा. ये छोटे छोटे बीच में भी डाले हैं, वो भी बहुत अच्छा लगा.
जितनी भी एक्सेसरीज हैं हम लोगों ने डाली हैं,
बहुत अच्छा लगा. और सब भी वो सब भी डाले, वो भी बहुत अच्छा लगा.
वो सारे पॉट्स जो ग्लास के बने हुए हैं,
बहुत बहुत अच्छा लगा
आपको
हमको.
छोटी छोटी ये वाली चीज़ें बहुत अच्छी लगी.
ये साइड में भी जो डाले हैं, वो भी बहुत अच्छा लगा. बहुत ही सुंदर लगा सब.
चाहे तो आप उनमें भी पौधे उगा सकते हैं.
उगा सकते हैं.
जी.
बहुत
It's nice to see at the end of the day that I've been able to achieve most of what my clients wanted. The delight on their faces is all I could ask for.
It is sundown and unfortunately Ruchira had to make her way out because she had some last minute wedding errands to run. But I'm here with everybody else and I just want everyone to know that this space looks as beautiful at night as it does during the day. Do you want to find out how? Yes? 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 All right, so let's do this. Ta-da! And it's lit up. Isn't it beautiful?
it's beautiful.
Yeah? It doesn't feel like it's the night right now, does
Doesn't
Doesn't it?
It's great.
आपको अच्छा लगा?
बहुत अच्छा.
I can imagine what Ruchi must be feeling right now. But believe me, Ruchi, you've done such a good job at making us all happy, and this garden is symbolic of that. We'll really miss you during our chai and the time that we spent together. So we're really going to miss you.
बहुत मिस करेंगे. उसके गार्डन देख करके उसकी बहुत याद आएगी, क्योंकि ये गार्डन जो है उसका ही देन है.
लेकिन मैं एक चीज़ से परेशान हूँ. I still haven't met Maya. उसका आउटपोस्ट तैयार है and she's not here. So Tanushree.
Maya, come here. Come over.
Hi.
Maya, come here.
Hi Maya. Hi. She's not going to kill me. Hi. Do you wanna show her where her outpost is? Oh, hi puppy. Yay! That's amazing. That's amazing. She feels like she's right at home. Oh, that's so cute. I'm sure you're thinking how lucky the Sahais are. Well, you can get lucky too. All you need to do is take part in our Good Homes A Whole New World contest.
The question we're asking you this week is, which plant in Ruchira's garden acts as a mosquito repellent? A. Bamboo. B. Spathiphyllum. C. Lemongrass. Type home space A, B or C and send in your entries to 56388 and you could win a 6-month subscription to Good Homes Magazine India and a gift hamper. Last week's lucky winner is Shampa Mohan from Rajasthan. Congratulations, you will be hearing from us soon.
And with that, we end this week's episode of A Whole New World, your home show. For any further updates, all you need to do is log on to www.ndtvgoodtimes.com/homes. I will be back next week, same time, same place, to spread some more magic. And now I think it's time for some chai. Yes?